Hi, it's me. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble this super simple card intended for use in a scrapbook or explosion box. Let's get started. Prepare the score file. I am going to use Cricut Design Space. Use the software compatible with your machine. Click Upload, then click Upload Image. You can either drag the file in here or browse for it. I'm going to drag it in here. The file is called Envelope Score. A preview will display. Click Continue. Then click Upload. When the file loads, it will be grouped together like this. While it's grouped together, you can resize it to whatever size you want. To get the intended size, resize it to 6.388 inches wide by 5.494 inches in height. To confirm you have the right size, open the layers. Then click the yellow square. The measurement should be 3.25 inches by 3.25 inches. Let's ungroup the main group and take the time to review the pieces. This is decoration. And these are more decoration, the heart and those lines right there. This is decor if using an explosion box. It also serves as a good point of reference for sizing. This is the envelope. Click it. In the Layers panel, open up the group. Click the layer with the two lines, then change the operation to Score. Click the group header, then click Attach. Now they're friends. This file is now ready to cut. Click Make and follow the directions on screen. Preparing the dashed file. I will be using Cricut Design Space. Use the software compatible with your machine. Click Upload, then click Upload Image. You can either drag the file in here or browse for it. I'm going to drag it in here. This file is called envelope_dashed. Click Continue. A preview will display. Click Continue again. Then click Upload. When the file loads, it will be grouped together. While it's grouped together, you can resize it to whatever size you want. To size it to its intended size, resize it to 6.9 inches wide by 5.504 inches in height. To confirm you have the correct sizing, open the group. Then click the yellow square. It should be 3.25 inches by 3.25 inches. Let's ungroup the main group and review the pieces. This is the envelope decoration. This is more decor. And this is a heart because it's cute. This is the backing for an explosion box and also the point of reference for sizing. This is the envelope with dashed lines instead of score lines. This file is ready to cut. Click Make and follow the directions on screen. How to assemble the card. These are all the cut pieces that are included by default in the file. It includes the decor and of course the envelope. I will be using Uhu glue. Use whatever adhesive you like. Let's start with the envelope. All of the folds are valley folds, and then before you know it, you're done. Yay! This piece gets glued onto the inside so you can write a note. This piece can also be used as decoration for the inside and or the outside. It's the same size. Flip the envelope over to decorate the outside. This piece gets glued down here. Then this piece gets glued down over here. Now you can close the envelope and add the heart. Just like this. It's so cute. Glue the envelope down to the backing, especially if you plan on putting this in a photo box or explosion box. Lastly, glue down the final decorative pieces. And that's it. Ta-da! Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I am more than happy to help. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.